back to the channel. Hi. It's Memory. Never met her yet, but she is my Zimbabwean queen, honey. So we're gonna head out now to Yas Island. We're gonna see KK. We're gonna go visit KK and then we'll probably have iftar. So we have some things planned for today. So stay tuned.
Let me come here. It's KAM.
Yeah. I'm ready for the rest of the tour.
I'll show you skylight also. Okay, come with me, Earthlings.
Okay.
Show you the beautiful Dhabi of Dhabi. Yes, I like.
Okay. I did, and memory made me go to the same turn that you did.
It's the GPS.
It's ridiculous. No, it's not the GPS. It's both of y'all. Service you guys have here. This is where Formula One happens, guys. Right here, so loud. What do you guys have? Dough cruise on the boat over there? A dough cruise, right?
No, it's a boat. Give some things in
guys, it's a good day to have a great day. Remember, you want to come in the cut?
Guys, I want to be rich.
Speak it. Let's manifest it. Pray about it.
I want to be rich so that I can come and relax every day.
We receive it.
I want to be rich, only coming and chilling.
Amen.
And having a good life.
Amen. You receive it, God. Jenny from the block? Oh, yeah. What's up, girl? What you doing, girl? Guys, KK at work. She's very professional, or not, but yeah.
I have to go and have dinner so I can go and help in iftar.
Yeah, you go enjoy. We'll see you there.
I shall see you there.
See you there, friend.
Alrighty. I'll tell Joe to look after you guys.
Alright.
And Jiro will come up. He's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend.
Your crush?
He's not my boyfriend. He's my crush.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna see her crush, guys. It's good. Me not cut it enough to know. I will not be removing it.
We didn't cook breakfast.
No? Nope. What else you want?
I think I'm done.
Alright, yellow. Let's go. So guys, iftar is going amazing. I don't know, for some strange reason I can't eat a lot right now. So I only had, I think, fried rice and shrimp and chicken. And of course kanafa and ice cream. Now Memo is having her dessert. She's going hard. She went back like 5 times. So loud. Joy. What's this? Bubblegum ice cream?
Bubblegum ice cream, but I don't know. This one is
Is it
pink.
good? Taste it.
Yeah, it's good. This one is pink. I'm always eating like bubblegum ice cream, blue one.
Oh.
But tastes the same though.
Okay. So 2 iftars down, 15 to go.
I think tomorrow we'll try one more.
I'm tired of iftars, honestly. I'm tired.
I want with this.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice, the background. The grid shell. Alright guys, anyways, just giving an update as to what is happening. I think after this we're gonna go home, are we? Probably say bye to Kiki and then leave, or no?
We can go for shopping.
Shopping? What's wrong with this lady? Alright guys, take care. Don't forget to like.
That green blazer, and I know where you can find it.
My green blazer. Okay, fine. Guys, this is a fit for tonight. I'm gonna give you a better shot, but it's a Friday night, and finally memories back in Abu Dhabi. Ew. So we're gonna go check out the scene and see what's going on in the city.
Things, we have dirty wine. Wind me up. Wind me up. How you say up? Wind me up.
Okay.
Wind me up.
Okay.
We have the coconut full of rum. We have the, what else can I say? All of them are like Sim Simma. Who got the key to my bimba?
Guys, we're outside. We're here.
We outside.
Yeah. But I can't video that much because I'm pretty sure there's music in the background.
Copyright.
But yeah, it's nice. It's not as big as the one in Dubai, but it's a vibe. This one keeps on saying rice and beans. I'm like, guys, what is it? What's the real one?
Huh?
What's it?
Rice and peas.
Thank you. Yes. Beef pate. It's not the typical beef pate, really.
It's alright.
Have you had it before? The last time we went to the one in Dubai, right?
No, we didn't have it then. I had festival and jerk chicken.
Ew, look at you.
Yeah, I think that's what I had.
Oh my gosh,
not a water guan.
Wagwan.
Oh my god, I train them better than this, you know? So she's from Zim and she's from Zambia. How long you been here?
For 9 months.
Oh, you just come.
Just come.
You like it? Oh, you come. How is it?
I was in Dubai for 4 months. I didn't like Dubai.
It was too fast, right?
I don't like
Same vibes, me too.
Yes,
It's better.
Oh,
Yeah.
good choice.
Yeah.
What can I eat?
What you?
Nice food from Jamaica. I'm asking her
Okay,
to
ask.
offer me something from Jamaica.
Ask her.
Something from Jamaica, really nice.
Right, because me I want, you know. Me a bread back. All right.
Alright, so I wanted that rice and peas.
The rice and peas? Yeah, you can get the rice and peas.
It goes with what?
We have it with oxtail.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I used to take you in patois.
You just did it.
Thanks.
There you go.
Thanks.
You learn. You get the F word. You girl. You. Yes, you're not shame me. You. Try very late.
They lie, man.
Too much.
Yo, I can't deal. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Zimbabwe, they lie, my sister. They will buy you a car, they will buy you an elephant, they will do everything for you.
But they are
They
lying.
lie. They'll even tell you I'm single while they're married.
Thank you.
Every Zimbabwean guy, let me tell you, every Zimbabwean guy in UAE 90% of them, they are married, but they'll come to you and they'll say, oh, I'm not married.
But back
And they have
home
children.
in
All
Harare,
families.
And
all
you,
families.
the time you find out you already, it's too late for you. They're wasting your time again.
You know, I need to know.
go further. But
Oh, you need to sit down. You need to clock off. You need to sign out and come join us. Because this is like, this is tea.
No, I was like, no worry. Let me she come.
Yes.
I'll come. I'll see you
Yes,
just for a
I wanna
minute.
see Mom.
I don't mind.
yes, I want to meet Mom.
Yeah. I need you to know the ex is here. This guy had me in a hotel room from 4 p.m. to 4 a.m. And then he came 4 a.m. in the morning telling me, oh, I was with my mom.
Go
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Wow.
Me, knowing me, I'm a Jamaican.
Oh, what's the video ready? Good.
Is it good?
She like,
How is the food, KK? How is it? Okay.
toast.
You like it?
Good.
Guys, I'm not lie. The food I said something. Ting Irie, Sadet Island. Check it out.
What tasty is.